Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for your Azerbaijan eVisa online using a fast and reliable application platform. This method is designed to simplify the process, minimize the risk of errors, and save you the headache of navigating complex government portals. I'll walk you through each step of the application, from entering your personal details to the final submission. Make sure to use the link provided in the description below to access the correct application form and follow along. Let's get started. Once you click the link in the description, you will land on this page. First, go to the Your Passport section and select your country from the drop-down menu. Next, under Applying For, make sure the Azerbaijan eVisa for 90 days with a single entry is selected. Then use the plus and minus buttons to choose the total number of travelers you are applying for. On the right, you can see a quick summary. This visa is valid for 90 days and allows a maximum stay of 30 days in total. Once everything looks correct, click the Start Your Application button to move to the next step. In this next section, you'll need to provide your personal details. It is very important that you enter this information exactly as it appears on your passport to avoid any issues. Start by entering your first and middle names in the first box, followed by your last name in the box below. Next, use the drop-down menus to select your date of birth, including the day, month, and year. After that, enter your primary email address. This is a crucial step because your approved Azerbaijan eVisa will be sent directly to this email, so double-check for any typos. If you're traveling with others, you can click the Add Another Traveler button at the bottom to enter their details as well. Once you've filled everything out and confirmed it's all correct, click Save and Continue on the right side to move forward. Now we move on to the passport details. Just like the previous step, make sure this information matches your physical document exactly. First, confirm your passport country is correct in the drop-down menu. Below that, enter your passport number. Be extra careful here. Make sure you don't confuse the number 0 with the letter O. Next, you'll need to enter your passport expiration date using the day, month, and year selectors. It's a good idea to check that your passport is valid for at least 6 months from your planned date of entry to Azerbaijan, as this is a standard requirement. Once you've double-checked these details, click the Save and Continue button on the right to move to the final stages of your application. We've reached the final step, confirm details and submit. This is where you'll review your information and finalize your application. On the left side, you'll see a summary of your visa type and passport number. Below that, you can choose a processing time based on how quickly you need your visa. You have 3 options: Standard, which takes a couple of days, Rush to get it in 12 hours, or Super Rush if you need it in as little as 3 hours. Next, you can choose to add denial protection for extra peace of mind. This ensures a refund of your service fee if your application happens to be rejected. Finally, choose how you want to pay. You can use Apple Pay for a quick checkout or simply enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and your zip code. Review the total cost at the bottom, and once you're ready, click the Submit Payment button. That's it! Your application is now being processed. You'll receive updates via email, and your eVisa will be sent directly to your inbox once approved. Don't forget to use the link in the description to start your application right away. Safe travels!